Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can change a Valorant account password using a mobile device. So you have a Valorant account that you use to play Valorant, and now you want to change the password to that account because you feel like a password is not secure enough and you're worried about the security of your account, and you want to use a mobile device in order to do it, but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to change the Valorant account password using a mobile device in very easy way. Just follow the simple steps I do and you'll be able to do it in no time. So the first thing you want to do in order to change a Valorant account password using a mobile device is open a browser and go to account.valorantgames.com. Once you go to account.riotgames.com, you'll land on an interface like this. Now here you'll be asked to log in to the account that you want to change a password to. So go ahead and enter the username of that account that you want to change the password to. Once you enter the username, enter the password of the account that you want to change the password to. Once you enter the email address and the password, click on the continue button. Once you click on the continue button, Riot Games will send an email verification code to the email address that you've used while creating your account that you want to change the password to. So enter the verification code here. So once you enter the verification code, tap on the continue button. So once you tap on the continue button, you'll successfully log in and land on the account management page of your Riot Games or Valorant account. So what you need to do is scroll down, and here you'll see a section labeled as Riot Account Sign In, and in this section you'll have the option to change the password to the account. To do that, what you need to do is enter your current password, then create a new password for your Valorant account. So go ahead and enter your current password. Once you enter your current password, go ahead and create a new password for your account. Once you create a new password for your account, go ahead and confirm that password by re-entering it. Once you create and confirm a new password for your account, tap on the Save Changes button. Once you tap on the Save Changes button, you'll successfully change the password to your Riot Games account or a Valorant account successfully. So those were the simple steps in order to change a password to your Valorant account. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.